how do we add a Google Drive to File Explorer? All right, as you can see here, I have Google Drive right here. And when I click on it, I'll be able to see all the files that is in my Google Drive or the Google Drive web. And when we go to this shortcut section, as you can see, we'll be able to go to our Google Drive right here. Now, how do we do it? Well, basically, you only have to install Google Drive. Okay, if you don't know how to do so, just go ahead and open up your favorite browser. Now type in Google Drive, download. All right, once done, just hit on enter and click on the first link, which is from Google Help. All right, click on it. And from here, just go ahead and scroll all the way down until you find download for Windows or download for Mac. Just click on it and that will be a download page that will pop up. All right, if you want to, you can go ahead and save it in your desktop so you can easily locate it. Hit on save and we'll wait for the download progress to finish. And once it's done, just go ahead and click on the installer itself. Click on it and the installation process will begin. All right. There'll be a pop-up. Just click on yes right here. As you can see here, this version of Google Drive is already installed because I've already installed it. So basically, you'll have to just follow the simple prompts right there to install the Google Drive. And once done, you'll be able to see this exact drive on your computer. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.